Hi, this is Karen with Swisher. We're here with Josiah today to change a belt on a 44-inch finish cut mower.
Okay, so the tools you're going to need, just three sizes, 3/8, 7/16, and 1/2 inch. And if you got an inch, it kind of makes things easier. So first thing you want to do is take both of these covers off. There's 2 bolts on each side, or on each cover, so 4 in total. Those out of your way, and now you've got your belt. So in order to get the belt loose, you first want to, you can go on either side, there's a pulley like this on the other side too, but you just want to basically grab the belt and spin the pulley, get it off of there. Now it's loose. You want to take this nut off and take this spring off. That way you can get the belt completely off. Like that. And then start freeing it off. And 7/16. There's a 7/16 nut here. We're going to want to get loose, and this bolt actually goes all the way through, so you want to get a hand on it to where you can spin that nut off. And you don't have to take this bolt all the way off, just enough to where it's out of the way of the belt, so you can get it off like that. So now that it's loose, you want to just completely, you won't be able to completely get it out yet, but as close as you can, pretty much. One more step we got to take to get this off. So the only thing that's holding it in now is the engine pulley, and you're going to have to loosen the motor mount right here. So there's 1/2 inch, 2 1/2 inch bolts, then there's a nut on the back, but if you impact, it'll knock them loose. And completely take those off. And then you just want to lift up on this motor base, and there's your belt. Now you reassemble. So basically just kind of do everything in reverse. I'm not going to put a new belt on here just for the sake of the video, but so the first thing you want to do to reassemble it is get it back under that that pulley on the motor. Make sure it's got under it. Got that's on there. Let's start feeding it back through. And if you're confused on how the belt goes back on there, just look at the owner's manual, and it's got a belt diagram that shows you what goes where. There's kind of a lot going on down here. So it is now back on there. Now you want to just tighten everything back up that you loosened. So Now you can tighten your motor base back up. Get those snug. You may want to loosen the belt first. Make things a little easier for you. Get that on there. Get that tight. And then roll your belt back on. And then throw your covers back on, and you're good to go. There you have it. Make sure, engage, disengage, make sure it all works, but we're good to go.
I hope this video has helped you to learn how to replace the belt on your finish cut mower. If you need any parts, come down to 1602 Corporate Drive here in Warrensburg, or you can call 1-800-222-8183, or go to our website, www.swisherinc.com. Thanks for watching.